Welcome to Buildawebs, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can schedule posts in WordPress. I find that on my website buildawebs.com that it's very helpful to schedule posts because you can create content in advance and then schedule it and it posts whenever you want. So say for example you're on holiday or elsewhere, the posts still go live without manual intervention. Let's now have a look how you can schedule posts. So let's create a new post by clicking Add New. Give it a title, call this whatever you like. Then if you go up to Publish, you click here. You can choose a date, so you could say tomorrow, and it puts the 24th in there. And you could choose a time, we'll go 10 AM. And see how it updates there. Then all you do is press Schedule. And then when you go back to the post page, it's scheduled. And it'll say there, scheduled, and it'll say 24th of November 2021 at 10 AM. You can also do it where you go into the quick edit and you can choose the date here. So we've got November there, but say you wanted to go a month on, you can update on there and choose update and then just refresh the page and see how it's updated to the 24th of December. So that's the other way of doing it. If you notice that when you've scheduled it and it's not showing the right time or it's not posting at the right time, you can go into the general settings by clicking settings at the side and then it'll open up this page. And if you scroll down, you'll see the option for time zone. Make sure this time zone is how you would like it to be on your site, the time you would like things to post at. So mine sets UTC, you can check your time, or you can scroll up and find a city that's close to you, so London's close to me, and then you can change how you want the time to look on there and choose Save Changes. And then when you go back and you schedule in posts, it should pick up the right time based on when you want things to post. Now let's have a look and see how you can backdate posts. So say for example this new post, we wanted it to appear months and months ago. You can go edit again and then you can switch it back to a draft and choose OK. So this works well if you had published something or you had scheduled it and you wanted to change the date or you just wanted to work on it again. So then what you can do is you can go up to schedule again and click here, and then what I would do is I just reset it, just start from fresh. And then if we go back to say July and we pick the 1st of July, we can pick a time, we'll go to 10 AM. And then all you do is hit publish this time. And then when you go back to the page, you'll see the new post, 1st of July, 10 AM. And that's a good way of backdating. For example, if you wanted posts to appear, at that date and time. You can also repeat the exact same thing on existing posts and just follow the same process. Now let's have a look how you can schedule posts using the classic editor. If you haven't got the classic editor installed, follow along. So go to plugins and then add new. And then all you do is go on the featured tab, click install now, and then choose activate. And then it's ready for you to use. Then if you go to posts at the side, you click add new, give it a title, and then if you want to schedule a new post in the classic editor, go to the right hand side here and see where it says publish immediately, click edit, and then you can choose the date, so we'll put the 24th in, and then we'll set it to go at 10 AM. Then all you do is click OK, And then once you hit schedule and you go back to posts, it's then there ready to post. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe for future videos. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.